Hello, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and I'd just like to thank you wonderful people over at Streamyard. I won the Town Hall competition on episode 102 under Festa 67's workshop. I've got a rather swanky cushion and a rather splendid t-shirt, so I'd just like to say a big thank you for that and for helping me continue doing my streams, because your mantra of ease of use, stability and professional looking streams is really come true for me. So just remember, folks, hop over to Streamyard. It's your one-stop streaming solution for all your streaming needs. So a big thank you and happy 2021. Keep up the good work so that folks like me can carry on doing what we love doing, which is streaming on your platform. So thank you very much. Take care of each other. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye.